Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make custom skin packs in Fortnite. So basically you're creating a pack file and putting it inside of your pack files inside of Fortnite. And whatever you customize, it will show up in game. But this does not work for any version over 14.30, I believe, because at some point Epic patched it, so if you're like using a private server, this will work. So before we get started, I'm just gonna tell you what you guys need. First, you're gonna need F model, which is the thing right here. I'll leave this link in the description below, and right here it's gonna say fmodel.zip. You're gonna want to download that. Once you download it, open up the zip file and just drag it onto your desktop. You can open it and just minimize that for now. The next thing you're gonna want to download is UE4pack.zip. I'll leave this Discord server modding community in the description below as well. You're gonna want to download this right here. I already have it. It's right here. For UE4, you're gonna want version 2.25.4. I don't know why you need it, but when I try to do the current version, which is I believe is like, yeah, this one right here, when I try to use this one, it won't work for some reason. That's why I would use 4.25.4. You're also gonna want a photo editing software like Photoshop. That's what I use, or anything you can find really. The next thing you're gonna need are AES keys, which I'll leave this in the description below. Let's say you would want to customize a skin from 7.30. You get the AES key right here and put it in F model. So once you got all these, we can go ahead and get started. So once you're in F model, you're gonna want to put in the pack files to whichever version of Fortnite you're gonna use. In my case, it's gonna be season 13. Go to Fortnite game, contents, and packs. Then select folder and click OK. It's gonna restart, and yeah. Once you put in the pack files for the Fortnite version you're going to use, you're going to get the AES key for that version and put the AES key in here. Then you're going to want to click Files again, Packages, and Load All. It'll take a second, and then it'll show Engine and Fortnite Game. To get to the textures, you're going to click Fortnite Game, Contents, Characters, Player, Male or Female. I'm going to do a female skin. Medium, Bodies, and these are all the skins. To open up the textures, you're going to want to click them and textures and then the DU asset. It's like that for all of them. Some of these have more than one skin and one texture inside of them. Like this one shows like this, but this one right here has like skins, and then there's a whole bunch of these skins. So once you get to the DU asset you want, you're going to want to double click it and it'll show up the picture right here. Right click and click Save Image. Click Save. Something will show up on the bottom right. You're going to click that, and the texture will be right there. So you can move it wherever you want. I'm going to put it on the desktop so it's going to be easier to find. And with whatever photo editing software you have, I have Adobe Photoshop, you're going to want to edit the skin. So I just did something really quick and simple. So of course, once you have the texture to how you want it to be, you're going to want to save it as a PNG, of course. By the way, if you just change this, it's only going to change the body. It's not going to change the head or anything. So if you're going to want to change the head and stuff, you're going to need to look for it in F model and then do the same thing that we did with this. So now that we have this, you're going to want to open up UE4 and create a new project with clicking in games, next, blank, and then just click create project, but I already have one, so I'm just going to click open project. Now you're just going to want to drag the customized PNG into here. You're going to want to click save all and click file and click cook content for Windows. This might take a while. You can click show output log, whatever. Since I've already done this before, it went by super fast. So once you have that all done and out of the way, you're gonna want to close UE4 editor because you don't need it anymore. Go to documents, Unreal projects, whichever project you put it in, saved, cooked, Windows no editor, whatever the name is, contents, and here they are. So now you're gonna want to go back to F model. And with the, instead of exporting the picture, you're going to want to export this right here by right clicking and click export. Remember, it's the DU asset. You're going to want to have these two open and drag the files that you cooked in UE4 and drag them into the F model file things. Then click replace files in this destination. You can go ahead and close this, close F model. And now you're going to want to go full screen, click exports. Then minimize this for now. Finally, we get the UE4 packer that you get from the Discord server, and drag the Fortnite game in here. Then drag it into packer, click any button, and then it'll close. Finally, click pack, and this is your custom pack. I'm gonna drag this here. Now go to the pack files of the version you're gonna use, and we're not gonna drag it in here yet. We're gonna get one of these that says like pack chunk 1000, doesn't matter which one you choose. Copy it, put it in here, and then put in a number that doesn't exist, just like that. Next, once you rename this, get one of these that are 1 KB, the SIG files, copy it, and then go back to the custom pack that you made, click rename, copy this, click rename on the SIG file, and then Control V, and they should look exactly the same, except one says .pack and the other one says .sig. Finally, just drag them in here, and these are your custom packs. Now with whatever launcher you're using, launch Fortnite. So now once you launch, you just gotta look for the skin that you customized, and it will show up. I didn't really customize much because it's just a tutorial, so I just put in test right there, and it works in game too. If you need any help, just ask in the comments. I'll try my best I can to help you guys. If you want any more custom packs and you don't want to make them, there's a whole bunch inside of the Discord server. This one's the one I created, and yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you made it this far, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.